Hi everyone, I am super excited that Stampin' Up! Just launched a brand new promotion that will happen every single month, and it is called the Product of the Month. I'm going to share with you how you can earn the Product of the Month in some details, but first of all, if you don't know me, I'm Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers. I love all things paper crafting, card making, and so make sure you are following me for lots of ideas. So what is this new product of the month? How it works is if you place a $75 order with Stampin' Up! During that month, and it is, I will say, while supplies last. It has to be $75 before tax, shipping, and any rewards. Then you have the option to add on the product of the month for only $5. Now, every month, the product of the month is exclusive, and it also will vary what the product is. For example, for December, for this month, the first month, it is a pack of 12 by 12 beautiful designer series paper. Now, it might be stamp sets or dies or other products, but it will change every month, but that is kind of how it works. So I would suggest you ordering the sooner so you have the opportunity to not have the product of the month sell out, because again, like I said, it is while supplies last. Now, you can only get one product of the month per person, so you can't get like multiples if your order goes over 150. But what I am going to be offering to any of my customers is if you order with me during that month, you are going to get a 12 different project ideas featuring that product of the month. So I've partnered with some of my demonstrator friends, and we are each going to design a project and compile it, and you will be getting that around the 20th of the month. So it'll be up on my tutorial store, or you can purchase the tutorial, but if you do order with me, you will get that 12 projects in a tutorial for the product of the month. And we're going to be doing that all year long. So I'm super excited about the product of the month. The products that they select are exclusive to that month. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. But that's kind of the gist of it. I'm super excited, and I'm excited to get into to see what product they have every single month, because this is totally new to me. And so yeah, thank you for ordering with me and checking out the tutorials.